Today I'll give you the perfect response when a woman hugs. Many men don't realize that a hug can be much more than simple gesture of greeting or affection that can be a powerful signal in attraction in the next few minutes. I'll break down the 4 types of hugs and explain exactly how you shall react. Don't never miss an opportunity again. A hug can be much more than just a simple gesture of greeting or affection in their arm of attraction. It can serve as a powerful signal a way for a woman to measure your response, express interest, even create a mint of connection. Step is that most men fail to read the subtle cues as air salt. They let value operate slip. Key giving off wrong signal. Zach as disinterest love confidence here. A complaint ninth off attraction. Dinks a hug isn't just about physicalness. It's a silent communicating unspoken feelings and desires. Duration, pressure, and even bow positioning can tell you more than words cyber could. That's why it's crucial to understand the C gestures and respond appropriately. Now, let's dive into the types of hugs and what they real want friendly pat. This is the most casual type of hug. It lasts lastly a second or two slight inclination of the bottom minimal torso contact and usually well includes a few pats in the back. It's a warm but platonic gesture often next chain between friends or acquaintances. If a woman hugs you this way, it likely means chassis you as a friend rather than romantic interpan focus on and creating moments of closeness and chemistry too. Transition. From the frony zone to something more tethering. You will hug last a bit longer. Anther's unnoticeable firmness in the way wraps her arms around you. It's more just a quick greeting signals comfort. Tampy, however. It does mean attraction, just yet to spin the right way. Don't pull back too quickly. Hold the hug just as a hand longer thanch. Expects and observe her reaction. If she cheese mills maintains eye contact or remains relaxing your arms design thatch. Is comfortable around you, this is cube to continue building. Fat connection reader rushing in Tony Thingchu soon free lingering grass a hug that lasts longer the annual wars doesn't trush to let gonto caper attraction. Irelaxes again stores anchop roses orcus closer that's a sign of emotional and physical. Connection pay attention to her breathing. If it slows down and her hands linger on your back, she's comfortable. Your closeness when you experience this type of hug. Don't want TIA be the first to pull away. Instead, mirror Harry. If she stays close, reciprocate with a light talk on her lower back or a gentle skis. K allowing tolling her just a little longer this small, yet significant mother-dependent connection end. Signal or confidence for the Anidibras. This is the most telling hug of Aldachulans. Incompletely resting her hidden your shoulder or neck. Her breathing becomes more noticeable, and may even lightly caress your back. This is a clear sign that she feels safe, connected, and likely attracted to you. When faced with this kind of hug, don't trust to break the moment. Instead, embrace her naturally, allowing her to feel your warmth and presence. If pull away, she may be inviting deeper in. Watch for subtle cues. If she tilts her head towards you, tighten your embrace or lingers in your arms, signaling Thatch wants more than just a friendly hug. If you notice these signs of traction, don't let the moment, thus we confidence is key. Stay composed. Represent and respond with Asian. Simplest way to deepen the sisingactionist through subtle but natural gestures. It's a light touch on feedback. A gentle skis or a maintain contact as she pulls away. Avoid seeming nervous or over-grower and instead let your bottle language convict you. Token fit T. The next time a woman hugs Sue, pay close attention. That simple guest might be saying much more than words. Ever cowed? It could bet her way off testing waters signaling her interest or inviting you to get closer. Ref, you can read between the lines. Andre spanned with self-assurance will never miss an opportunity again. What's most telling sign of attraction in a hygiene? Our opinion. Drop a comment below.